Friends, I'm gonna show you do it a RAV4, how to change the cabin filter and air filter. First, we're gonna start the air filter. Let's open like this. Alright, like this. Close it proper. Put like this. Make sure the things will go in the lock proper place. Lock it like this. Lock I'm gonna show you to change the cabin filter, which is here. Just remove your glove box. Is this one? Let's press the lock like this. Pull it out. Yep. Take out your old filter. Look too much dusty. Open your new filter. Always see the mark. This mark will go in the blower fan side. Put like this. Install the hole. Just clip it, lock. Finish. Thank you for watching.